Good morning, good morning, good morning.
What's going on?
Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning. Oh, I want to show y'all my bears.
You got the peanuts on, Snoopy. Did you know that Snoopy was Papa's favorite cartoon when he was little?
No.
Yep.
Wait, that's why you bought it?
Yep.
Hey.
So we're taking Eclipse for a walk. We're gonna go over and check out the campgrounds. We already picked it up and cleaned it. Just want to see how it ended up. We had a little bit of rain here or there. And then we're gonna go down to the power lines and check on that area because I haven't looked at that area since the party.
And we had to shut down the campgrounds for the whole night.
Yeah. The porta potties ain't been picked up yet. Addie, you want to grab that? The bottle? Let's pick the trash up as we go. But looks like it's turning out pretty good.
Look who came along.
Ryder's always going to come on the walks. He's a dog.
No, he's not.
Yep. Ryder thinks he's a dog.
Oh, okay.
Ryder thinks he's a dog. He'll be upset if you call him a cat.
Oh. Hi, Ryder. You're a doggy, aren't you? Yep.
So, are you having fun? How is your time on Come On Mountain with Papa so far?
Good. And I'm staying away from that area. There was a rattlesnake.
Yeah, I actually found a rattlesnake over here, guys, at the campground area. But as you can see, it is all cleaned up now. We still got a little bit of trash that we got to pick up. We'll be loading all of the trash from the party in a trailer here soon. You want to try out the swing? I know this was one of your favorite things for the party. Papa's got another one to put up over there by the cabin. Maybe you can help me with that in a couple of days.
I can swing?
Yeah. What is it, Ryder? What is it?
Why does he meow if he's a dog?
Eclipse. What are you smelling? So how's your time been on Come On Mountain so far?
Well, despite the heat wave rolling through and trying to take out everything in existence, it's been pretty amazing. As expected, Freedom Weekend was great. Seeing everyone that I haven't seen in a while was fantastic. Missed the whole family here. But happy to be back. Happy to put in some work. Looking forward to some projects coming up. And can't complain.
That'll actually be starting this evening.
Yep.
I see a chip bag over here in the woods. If you guys see any kind of trash, let's go ahead and pick it up and put it over there by the trash bag. I found it. You found a cat.
Ryder, look. He's interested.
Grab that trash, baby.
Oh, no.
Little stuff's not much. Oh, somebody lost a tent stake.
That must be part of you, tree. This tree is rude.
Yes, it is. It was very hot today, huh? Eclipse, how did you enjoy Freedom Weekend?
I think she sounded black.
Me too.
Yeah, Eclipse had a good time. We'll just set it on top for right now.
Can I try to walk, Clip?
Come back for it later.
Nah. Let Eclipse calm down a little bit first, and then you can walk her. All right. Now we're going to head down to the power line, guys, and take a look at that area.
There's a red thing. What is that?
It's nice to have my son and granddaughter on this little walk with me this morning.
Hey, no, don't attack me.
It's about It's about noon right now, guys. I have been editing all morning to put a video out on Come On Homesteading today for you guys, because I've not put a video out since Wednesday because I've been a little busy. Just a little bit. So I did get it edited. It's a really good video. I like it. I think it flows well. That'll probably be going out probably more around 5-6 o'clock today. I just now started exporting it, so it's going to take a little while to get up to YouTube. This will probably come out before, I'm sure, so definitely be on the lookout for the video on Come On Homesteading. And we're going to get back to our normal posting schedule as of today. Trying to get 2 to 3 videos out a week on the main channel and at least 5 on this one. Because, man, we got a lot coming up, guys. Now that Freedom Weekend is behind us, it is time to flip the switch to getting ready for Hazel and the kids to come to Come On Mountain. As of yesterday, we are 1 month away. You know. And as of last night, we are 1 month away. 1 month. So that's not a lot of time. And there's also a lot going on this month. Here in about 19 days is my birthday. And Simple Life Reclaim and Country Road Cure's already been talking about what we're going to do for that. And then the very next week is Wyatt's birthday, and there's already some stuff planned for that. So that's 2 weekends gone right there. So that's about 4 days away from that. So
Papa's coming down for my birthday.
I don't have a whole lot of time left to get everything that I need to get done. So it is time to get at it. Today is kind of the calm before the storm. We're going to do a little bit of stuff this evening, being that it's already over 100 degrees here today.
Papa's coming down for my birthday.
Oh yeah, your birthday? Is that a fact?
Yes,
Is that a fact?
it's coming.
Oh, I see. I see. Not an ask, but a demand. I see. Okay.
Coming, please.
But so yeah, we're not going to start out in this heat right here like this. I'm going to go ahead and get this video out and the Come On Homesteading video.
Yep.
And then this evening, we're probably going to hook up to the small trailer and the 10-footer that my brother brought out of the steel, and go ahead and get that loaded up with all of the trash, because we're going to have to go into town tomorrow. Probably going to go into town whenever it gets hotter. During the day, we'll work in the morning, run our errands in the heat, and get the trash unloaded and stuff. We need to go to Walmart and get some more supplies, because Freedom Weekend consumed quite a bit of that fuel.
Ate and drank
And a whole lot of water. We went through 7 5-gallon things of water. So what's that, 35 gallons of water and stuff, when I normally go through 1 a week. Grab the trash. Look at my good little helper. Looks good out here though. Look at Ryder. Ryder's always hunting. Eclipse, calm down.
He's excited to be out.
I know, she wants to get some grasshoppers. She wants to get some grasshoppers like Ryder. She loves coming down here because there's so many grasshoppers.
Yeah, she's been
More trash. Not on your watch, right? Gotta keep America clean, huh? You want to see if we can find a blackberry?
Blackberry?
Yeah, blackberries are good.
Yeah, I like that. Can I eat it?
Yep, you can eat it. But you got to be careful around the blackberries, because sometimes they're snakes. So Papa will go in there and pick it, and how about I pick it and you eat it? How about that? Ooh, it is hot, guys. Well, that ain't quite sweatpants, but Matter of fact, in the video today, you will see all that hay getting baled. That's out there. My computer's been giving me a hard time, guys. I have to restart my computer probably about 12 times to edit a video right now. I have a funny feeling I'm gonna have to get a new computer soon. It definitely makes editing videos a little bit more difficult and frustrating, to say the least.
Oh my gosh, Ryder is having the freedom.
Yeah, freedom. And we just had freedom weekend, huh?
Yes, sure did.
Yep, she's been riding that. Yeah, I'm getting that. Hey!
Miss Adeline hasn't been down here yet, have you?
No, but something just hit me in the nose.
Hit you in the nose?
Bugs flying around.
Yeah, there's a couple of bugs.
It must have been
Grasshoppers do be flying.
Hey.
We'll get Adeline's reaction of the views back here in a minute.
It's one of my favorite spots out here.
Ooh, this is cool. Wow. No, never mind.
Do you have, you got Crocs on. It's probably better. Will you pick 2 blackberries from right there? They hold clips. Make sure you stay on the wood.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 2 blackberries.
2 blackberries. One for you and one for Adeline.
Here you go.
Oh,
Delish.
it's so cute.
How was it?
I'm saving it.
That I want you to
Delicious.
eat it.
It's been a minute since I had some blackberries.
It's really good, huh? And that just grows wild on Papa's property.
Hey, some.
Don't get any fresher than that. Ryder said the same thing about them butterflies. Watch you. He's in his hunting position right now. He's get him, Ryder. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Whoa!
4
Did you see?
Good job.
Ryder just jumped higher than Addie, guys.
Yeah, to catch a butterfly.
Wow.
Wow, Ryder, good job.
Wow, Ryder's insane.
Ryder, oh yeah, there's butterfly.
Butterfly hunting.
The next time we take clips on a walk, I want to try to find more.
Look at these views, Adeline. See all the mountains? And see the cows over there?
Ooh, cows!
Look over here. Look at those views. Adeline told me the other day that she wanted to move to Arkansas because it is so beautiful, huh?
Yep.
Look.
Yeah, I was gonna say my first 2 days here, both evenings, I brought the little e-bikes they got down there. The kids been riding on nonstop. Brought them up here, and that farthest hay bale in that left corner is the last hay bale that catches any sunlight for the sunset. So both nights I sat up on top of that one and just caught that last little sliver, watching the gold just go up the field and stopping at me. I loved it up there.
Nice. Got a bird over there. All right, let's head back, guys.
Come on.
Oh, Ryder's just
Ryder got him another one, huh?
Ryder's over here.
Don't steal.
Bad.
Get your own grasshopper, Eclipse.
Go on.
Eclipse has got to be brushed out since the temperature has 100 degrees plus this week. Her fur has started shedding.
Like crazy.
One of the subscribers for Drifting Dreamers 5 sent them a brush that's made for like de-shedding thick-haired dogs. And I'm gonna walk down there and borrow that and give her a good brushing. One of the mornings of the Freedom Weekend, I sat there with my hand and pulled out like a ton of it off of her already. But I want to get the rest of it just because I don't have one of those brushes. I have like a regular dog brush and it doesn't do as good as the brush that the subscribers sent them, blessed them with. So I'm gonna go borrow it.
Hold on. We'll wait till we get over closer to the house. I was gonna say too, I got a special edition. Along with the homesteading post becoming more frequent, I also have a video coming out today on Life with Levi from the first day of Freedom Weekend. So please check that out if you're interested. It's quite the perspective from my eyes over the weekend, which was awesome. And same thing with him today through all his editing. I've been editing all day myself, trying to get day 2 out, which should come live either tomorrow or the day following. So
Ryder,
please keep an eye out.
you want Ryder as a cat. He just acts like a dog.
Yeah, for sure.
My Freedom Weekend video will probably be posted on Friday. I've just been really busy, guys. Really busy. So I haven't had a chance. This morning was the first time that I've had a chance to sit down and edit. So today and Friday will be those 2. And then after that, we will get back on to regular type of come on homesteading stuff, which this video today is that. There was a lot of moving and shaking on this video. A lot of work, guys. A lot of work. Bolted and about knocked Adeline over.
Ryder! You little pickle.
Ryder, you are on the move, ain't you, boy?
He wants to find more grasshoppers. He's like, my grasshopper?
I can't believe how much ups Ryder's got.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Ryder's never been that hyper.
He's sitting there panting like a dog. I've never heard him pant that hard. He's going hard on these bucks.
You saw his jump.
Yeah, he's going hard on it. He's even got sweat around him.
Hey, I'd be playing harder.
Well, I think that might be her slobber, but
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Guys, I think that we're going to go ahead and call it for this one. It's been about 16 minutes. Tell everybody bye. Tell them bye in a normal voice.
Bye.
Tell them, hey, tell them to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell.
come on.
Later, guys. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Do something nice for somebody. Do something nice for yourself. And always, guys, keep it real.